How's it going, Animal Family? Big J here, back again with another video. So today we're doing top 10 protection dogs. That's right, protection dogs. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because they're watching you. You're watching us and you're not subscribing. So hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. Number 1, the German Shepherd.
Temperament, confident, intelligent and courageous. Strength, exceptionally obedient and trainable, used worldwide by the police and military. Protection role, personal and family protection. Guard dog, service animal. Protection role, personal, family, guard dog and service animal. Traits, strong bite, loyal, alert and good with children if trained properly.
Number 2, the Belgian Malinois.
Temperament, energetic, alert and hardworking. Strength, agile and highly trainable, fast and more intense than the German Shepherd. Protection role, often used in elite military units, i.e. the Navy SEALs. Traits, needs an experienced handler due to its high drive and energy levels.
Number 3, the Rottweiler.
Temperament, calm, confident and fearless. Strengths, strong guardian instinct and muscular build. Protection roles, excellent family protector and property guard dog. Traits, loyal but requires firm and consistent training.
Number 4, Doberman Pinscher.
Temperament, alert, fearless and intelligent. Strength, fast and powerful with a sleek, intimidating appearance. Protection role, personal and property protection. Traits, loyal to the family and can be affectionate and highly trainable.
Number 5, the Cane Corso.
Temperament, reserved, protective and confident. Strength, massive build and natural guardian instinct. Protection roles for large estates and personal protection. Traits, needs to be socialized and trained from early age.
Number 6, the Bull Mastiff.
Temperament, gentle with the family, aggressive towards intruders. Strength, strong protective instinct, low prey drive. Protection roles, home and family protection. Traits, doesn't bark much, instead uses strength to stop intruders.
Number 7, the Giant Schnauzer.
Temperament, loyal, bold and intelligent. Strength, highly trainable and very territorial. Protection roles, guarding and police work. Traits, requires regular mental and physical stimulation.
Number 8, the Akita.
Temperament, independent, loyal and aloof. Strength, naturally suspicious of strangers, very loyal to their owners. Protection roles, family and home guarding. Traits, not always good with other animals and also needs to be trained from early.
Number 9, the Pit Bull Terrier.
Temperament, energetic, strong and confident. Strength, protective and loyal when well trained. Protection roles, personal protection but not ideal as a guard dog due to their friendly nature. Traits often very misunderstood and need a responsible owner for proper training.
Number 10, the Tibetan Mastiff.
Temperament, strong-willed, protective, and calm. Strength, natural guard dog, especially for properties and livestock. Protective roles, large estates and livestock garden. Traits, independent and sometimes stubborn. Not ideal for a first-time owner, needs an experienced hand.
In conclusion, choosing the right protection dogs is based upon your experience, lifestyle, and protection needs. Other breeds, such as the Cane Corso, Doberman, offer a powerful mixture of strength and vigilance. While each dog on the list has their advantages and disadvantages, with proper training, socialization, and responsible ownership, they all make great protection dogs. So, Animal family, I hope you enjoyed that video. Because you know what? I did. Always enjoy these videos. Look at my face. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying as much as you hitting that like button. And subscribe too. Please subscribe. And leave us a comment. Because we always write back to you, you know. Because got love for you, lot. Because you're the Animal family. Until next time, Animal family. Remember that we ain't going